Ever wondered who's pulling the strings behind that sleek app that's been quietly building your investment portfolio? You know, Raiz? The one that rounds up your spare change and turns it into something more? Yeah, that one. It's easy to get caught up in the smooth user interface, the clever algorithms, and the promise of a brighter financial future, but have you ever stopped to ask who's actually running the show? Because let's be honest, in the world of fintech, where innovation and disruption are the buzzwords, knowing who's behind the curtain matters. It's about trust. It's about understanding the vision, the values, and the long-term direction of the platform you're entrusting your hard-earned money to. So, let's cut to the chase. Raiz, in its Australian incarnation, was originally known as Acorns Australia. And if you're thinking, Acorns? That sounds familiar. You're absolutely right. Acorns is a well-established micro-investing platform in the United States. In 2016, Acorns launched in Australia through a joint venture with a company called InStreet Investment Limited. Now, here's where things get interesting. In 2018, the Australian operation rebranded as Raiz Invest Limited. This wasn't just a name change, it signified a move towards greater independence. Raiz listed on the Australian Securities Exchange, ASX, under the ticker RZI. This means it became a publicly traded company. And what does that mean? It means ownership is distributed amongst its shareholders. So, there isn't one single owner in the traditional sense. Instead, Raiz is owned by a multitude of shareholders, both institutional and individual. This is a key distinction from privately held companies. But, while there's no singular owner, there are key figures who guide the company. The leadership team, including the CEO and board of directors, play a crucial role in shaping the strategy and direction of Raiz. These individuals are accountable to the shareholders, and their decisions impact the company's performance. Let's delve a bit deeper. What about the founders? Well, the initial vision for Acorns Australia, which later became Raiz, was brought to life by a team that included George Lucas, the CEO, and Brendan Malone, the Chief Investment Officer. They were instrumental in adapting the Acorns model to the Australian market and building the foundation for Raiz growth. George Lucas, having led the company through its transition to Raiz and its ASX listing, is a figure worth noting. His leadership has been pivotal in navigating the competitive landscape of the Australian fintech sector. It's important to remember that being a publicly listed company brings transparency. Raiz is required to disclose its financial performance and other relevant information to the market. This provides a level of accountability and oversight that wouldn't exist in a privately held company. Now, you might be thinking, okay, shareholders, leadership team, got it. But what does this mean for me, the user? Well, it means that Raiz is subject to the scrutiny of the market. Its performance is constantly evaluated, and its decisions are analyzed. This can lead to greater efficiency and innovation as the company strives to deliver value to its shareholders and users alike. Furthermore, the public listing allows for broader access to capital, which can fuel further growth and development of the platform. This can translate to new features, improved services, and a more robust investment experience for you. Ultimately, understanding the ownership structure of Raiz provides valuable context. It illuminates the company's governance, its accountability, and its long-term vision. It's a reminder that behind the app, there's a complex network of individuals and institutions working together to make your financial journey a little bit easier. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.